This is a brief tutorial on how to share your course with somebody else. And you start by opening up your course and clicking the roster link on the far left. This is the menu, and in that menu at the top is the roster link. Go ahead and click that. It will reveal the roster page and all the people who are currently in your class. At the top right, you'll see a circle with a plus inside of it. If you hover over that, it says Invite Students. Click that button, and it opens up a half page, and it says go ahead and invite students. Do not select the email option. It's a little more complicated and unnecessary because if you scroll all the way down, you'll see the shareable link. Highlight that entire shareable link. You need to get it all. Copy that and put that into an email. Simply paste it right in and send that to your recipient. Once they have that link, they will click it and they will be taken to CourseSites and they will need to set up an account. Once they have that account set up, they should be able to see your course. If not, have them enter that link one more time at the top of their browser and hit the enter key, and that should take them right into your course. Once they're in your course, if you want to give them an additional role besides student, the student is the default. If you have an instructor that wants access to the instructor level of your course, go ahead and click your new member, click the student role, simply click the word student, and you can see that you can go ahead and change roles right there. Okay, so you would, if you wanted to give that student access as instructor or that individual access as instructor, you would click the instructor role and say allow access to course. You do not need to say this is a primary instructor. Access to the course as instructor is good enough to have access to the features behind the student section of your course. Okay, so hope that's helpful. Thank you very much.